The Canterbury School in Gran Canaria and the Episcopal Academy in Newtown Square both excel in what they do, but in different ways. The Canterbury School is much more isolated from other places on the island, while EA is in the middle of lots of places. The students and staff at the Canterbury School are more ethnically diverse, while at EA we are more racially diverse. Our campus and buildings are much nicer with many more technological advancements. Their classes are 80 minutes, while ours are only 40 minutes. Their senior year reflects what they want to do with their life. The classes get more exclusive and specific as they get older according to their future careers, while ours continue altogether. The biggest difference is the relationship between the students and staff. It is much more casual as they speak to their teachers as friends. The Canary Islands and Philadelphia area are very different in many different aspects. Philadelphia is mainly flat, while the Canary Islands are mountainous. Philadelphia has one big city, while the Canary Islands have many smaller cities around in different areas of the island. There are variation of sizes and types of homes in Philadelphia, while many in the Canary Islands, the majority are smaller. There are more jobs available in Philadelphia, while in Canary Islands there are less. The climate is also very different, as in Philadelphia it gets very cold at times, while it can also be very hot, but in the Canary Islands it only goes down to 40 degrees Fahrenheit and always stays in a relatively warm temperature. The Canary Islands also only get rain for about 5 days a year. There are many more tourists in the Canary Islands than in Philadelphia because the economy in the Canary Islands depends upon tourism. In Philadelphia, there's much more diversity, while in the Canary Islands there are many more natives, so there's less diversity.
While we were there, we also saw El Parque Nacional Teide, which is on the island Tenerife. The whole national park is made up of volcanic rock. Every 1,000 years, a volcano would erupt and make the mountain higher and higher. There's also a lot of different plant life in the national park. One plant is called the Echium, where it has red flowers coming out of it. Another thing that is very interesting about the national park is it has the Sea of Clouds. What happens is the mountain is so high that it goes past the cloud level and creates a valley full of clouds where there's a lot of lush green plant environment there. In the grand scale, Tenerife is more mountainous, colder, and more rural, where Canaria is warmer, has beach and mountains, and it has a lot of more cities. The people are very similar, but they have a rivalry going between the two islands because they both are the capitals of the Canary Islands. And they both are very close to each other where they are in the sea. But both islands were very beautiful in their own ways.
Le pido